Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a technique that I saw on TikTok on how to perfect your foundation when you have oily skin. So I'm going to be showing you what I learned. There's a couple things that I'm not going to be doing that they did just because it didn't work out for me, and I think I've done pretty well with what to work with my own skin. So here we go. I'm going to get out all my products, talk about them, and actually do this so we can fix this. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, so skin by Hiram does not kill me, and sorry if you hear my kid, but it's the only way to make him happy. I'm first going to be using some sunscreen. What I am trying to do is, since I have oily skin, I can't really moisturize. So I know that kind of sounds crazy, but that's just what it is. So I am using SPF 30, and I got this in one of my Target beauty boxes. So the next thing I'm going to use is this hyaluronic serum, and the reason I'm doing this is because it is for acne and it is going to make a sticky surface. So my makeup will stick to that. Now there are other products that you can use, like the ordinary hyaluronic acid serum, which is a little more pricey. This one actually came from Dollar Tree and it's working just fine. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the e.l.f. Putty Primer. I'm going to take a beauty blender and I am just going to beat it in to where I am usually oily. Once that is in, I'm going to take my e.l.f. Camo Concealer and I'm going to go immediately over my blemishes, which are a lot. So I'm going to do that really quick. If your face does not look like this afterwards, trying to get rid of all of your blemishes, you don't have acne. So the next thing that you would think you would do would be blend this out. We're not going to be doing that. I'm going to let this dry, and while I let it dry, I'm going to do my eyes, which I suck at doing eyes, so I'm going to do that off camera, let this dry, and then we'll go to our next step. So just give me a minute. Now I'm going to take this Milani 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect Foundation and put it directly on my face. And use this gigantic beauty blender I got from Target for $5 and blend this out. I'm going to take my concealer again and go over the few blemishes that popped through. Next, I'm going to take some setting powder that I got from my Miss A package, which will be in the description box down below. This is going in my oily spots. Taking my Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder to set this in. Next, I'm going to put this on my bottom lash. Now I'm going to put some highlight that I got from Dollar Tree. This is Hard Candy and I think it's great. Has these 3 colors. I usually use this one, and then depending on my outfits I will use these. I'm going to put this right here around the eye, on the nose, under the eyebrow, corner of the eye, and top of the lip. some setting spray. And last, some e.l.f. lip gloss. And that is it. My extremely oily skin is now very clean, matte, no oil here. To go over the most important products for this is the hyaluronic acid serum. I use the one from Dollar Tree. You can use any. One that is very recommended is the Ordinary. I believe it's $11. My e.l.f. concealer and this gigantic beauty blender from Target for $5 to achieve this. A couple of things that I did not mention that I used off camera. e.l.f. palette, $14 from Target. And just because I was doing something simple today, I just used this peach. And lastly, this mascara. I'm not even sure the brand. I got this from the PX on sale and use it for the top. That is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.